Gaia,
Magna Mater,
Mother Earth.
You have called me many names.
and you know my face,
You see me in the trees,
the birds,
in the waves.
You all came for me.
in harmony.
so why are you harming me? We are always connected.
And despite your attempts at emancipation,
You cannot cut the umbilical cord.
that threads through the entire planet.
sorry baby,
I am the only mother where it is natural.
For her to outlive her children.
But what will be left of me?
after you, I still love you.
Do you still love me?
I need you to show it.